how to increase your website traffic using Facebook option. So Facebook is one of the options is called article. Article main purpose is a write a note, no nothing but two advantages. Increase page likes. Second will be your increase your keyword building. Final destination is the website traffic. Final destination is the website traffic. So in this, first of all, go to your Facebook page. In the Facebook page, your option is called your template and tabs. Go for note. Go for note. In this, the main option is called keyword building purpose. Keyword building purpose. Write a note. Write a note. First, select your image. Upload. Select your folder. And image will be selected here. Paste your image. Done. Image you can drag the any position, but my need the keyword is very important. After that, select your keyword. Select your keyword. Same keyword will be typed here. After writing for description, Control and C. Close it. Select by placed. Add by other social media links. Remove your own Facebook page. After that, add option called photo or embed. Embed nothing but your Twitter, Vimeo, Win or YouTube video also. So we can promote it for video also. Go to YouTube. We promote by the video also. Select channel. Select video. First of all, select that YouTube channel URL will select or not. You can check. Insert. Then you're not using for embed code. This is using for that YouTube URL. We can add automatically. They connect for embed code. So article will be promoting for your YouTube video and keyword promotion and website traffic. So website traffic, just copy this one. Very important, please note down. In this, select your link and copy this. Then, so where you can add the anchor text, add the simple, select it and select this and enter. This will be very useful things for creating for add the anchor text. So what are the content you will be here? And last all content, copy. Services. Here, what's showing for all. So everything will be set by your anchor text will be individually. It's clear? So everyone you can selecting the keyword is only for individually. Finally, click for publish. So what is showing for your shine services dot note will be there. After publishing article, see this keyword. Best professional painters and painting services in Hyderabad and pipe Facebook. Who will create the article? Facebook is the keyword. In this, you can writing for shine size also write on your title. Where? Here. So clear? Write an article on your Facebook, nothing but to build the website traffic. Second thing will be video views. Article always two options. Keyword building, website traffic and video promotion. Keyword will be common. Two things are very important. Website traffic and video promotion. So final. There will be also video. View will be count. Earning will be count. Facebook view will be count and earning will be count. Is clear? Without content, we can promoting video also. Without promoting content, we can promoting video also by using articles. I have the zero content. Promote the article by video also. Two benefits. Keyword building. Second will be video views. Keyword building. Second one is video views. We can promote our video multiple keywords. We can promote our video multiple keywords. It's a very important to write an article on Facebook page. Three benefits. Page likes is common, website traffic, and a video views. The Facebook page likes increase by keyword building on search engine results. It's a very important write a article.